How much lithium is needed for EVs? Let's get into the presentation. So the demand for EVs is booming, but how much lithium is needed to power them? So we're going to explore the importance of lithium in regards to EV batteries. So what is lithium? Lithium is a soft silver metal, white metal, that is commonly used in batteries. It is the lightest metal and the highest electrochemical potential, which makes it ideal for energy storage. Lithium is also used in medicine and ceramics, but the demand in moving forward will come from batteries in the EV market. So the world has an estimated 14 million tons of reserves. However, only a small portion of that is economically recoverable. The largest reserves are in Chile, Australia, and Argentina. Um, Also, China has a large reserve as well. As demand for lithium increases, so does the need for sustainable mining practices. Most EV batteries are made up of lithium ion cells. These cells contain cathodes, anodes, and electrolytes. The anodes is typically made of lithium carbonate, oxide, while the anodes are made of graphite. The electrolytes is usually a lithium salt in an organic solvent. All right, so why lithium? Why lithium ion batteries? Again, high energy density. Lithium ion batteries can store a lot of energy in a small space. This is important for EVs because it allows them to travel longer distances on a single charge. The lighter the car, also the better. Lightweight lithium ion batteries are lighter than any other batteries, such as lead acid batteries. This is important for EVs because it improves their range and performance. Fast charging. Lithium ion batteries can be charged quickly. This is important for EVs because it allows drivers to refuel their vehicles quickly. Long life. Lithium ion batteries have a long life. This means that they can be used for many years without needing to be replaced. Now, this will be an issue um, in the future, and we're going to get into uh, the investment idea of this presentation later. All right, so the demand. The amount of lithium needed for future EVs demand is a complex question. No easy answer. Depends on a number of factors, including the rate of EV adoption, type of batteries used in EVs, and the efficiency of the battery production. According to the IEA, global lithium demands for EVs is expected to reach 3.3 million tons by 2030. This is a significantly increase from the 105K tons of lithium produced in 2021. The IEA also predicts that lithium demand for EVs will continue to grow in the coming decades. All right, so this number is projected to increase from, wow, about sixfold in 20 years post 2030. All right, lithium is a vital component of EVs batteries, and demand is expected to increase significantly in the coming years. All right, so this article's from February, but Tesla is considering buying a lithium miner, right, to secure its supply of lithium. Uh, Earlier this year, there was some report about Tesla potentially buying a miner in the name of Sigma Lithium. At the time, it was currently valued at $3 billion. On the report, I think the stock shot up with the rapidly rising cost of key minerals for battery production. Tesla has been considering venturing into the mining world. Now, since then, lithium has dropped, but it's definitely going to go back up as demand for EVs increase again. Tesla Battery Day event in 2020, the automaker announced that it's getting into the mining business. Supposedly, it had bought some lithium claims in Nevada. Again, according to the report, Sigma Lithium's biggest shareholder, A10 Investimentos, a Brazilian private equity firm, is considering pushing for a sale of the company. They're currently talking to potential bidders, and Tesla is one of the companies that has shown interest. So Elon didn't buy a miner yet, but he is getting into the lithium refinery business. This article is coming from CNBC, and Elon Musk recently broke ground on a um, Tesla lithium refinery down in Texas. So they're investing 375 million to build this facility, which will help secure domestic supply of lithium hydroxide, a key ingredient used to make batteries for its electric vehicles and its home and utility scale batteries, part of their battery pack segment of Tesla, which is probably going to be bigger than their car segment. Last year in April, Musk said Tesla may need to get into lithium refinery because the cost of the material has gone to insane levels. Again, price has collapsed, but it will be going back up. Again, lithium prices have significantly declined since he made those remarks. China still controls more than half of the world's lithium processing and refining capacity, while the U.S. has recently controlled just 1%. All right, so this is a big opportunity for Tesla. Musk said the availability of battery-grade lithium was a fundamental choke point for EV industries, for the EV industry and others. All right. So I mentioned the price of lithium. Well, let's just get into the chart here. Let's expand this a bit. I want to see all. All right. So you can see, let's see, at the start of 2021, prices steadily rose, right? And it exceeded its all-time high in late 2021, which was roughly 168. What's the price of this? Yeah, I'm not sure what the units of dollar currency this is, but we'll just do it in percentage. So it went from 50,000 to a high of 60,000. Looks like the Bitcoin chart. That was a 12-fold, and then it also collapsed, just like Bitcoin did, right? Collapsed by nearly 2/3, and it hit a bottom back in April, and it's steadily climbing. All right, so I anticipate this high being broken in the future, again, just like Bitcoin. All right. All right, so this article is from Yahoo Finance, and this is the stock to keep on your radar. Lithium batteries are the new oil, according to Elon Musk. Here are two stocks in the $10 to take advantage. We're just going to look at one of them, as I think it has huge promise. Elon has presented an alternative perspective, stating that lithium batteries should be considered as the new oil. Again, Musk broke ground, I think in the past 4 weeks, on a lithium refinery facility in Texas. Tesla is obviously the first investment case that comes to mind here, but there are smaller players hoping to ride the lithium trend. And we're going to get into the stock of the video, and that's recycling lithium, right? Because lithium batteries have a shelf life, might be 10 years, I'm not quite sure, but at some point, some of that materials is recyclable, and because there's not enough capacity in the world right now, it should be a very good business to get into. All right, so the company is Li-Cycle Holdings. They're specialists in advanced lithium-ion battery resource recovery. Essentially, the firm recycles lithium-ion batteries, reintroducing the materials back into the supply chain. And the proprietary tech is designed to recover up to 95% of the materials used in the battery manufacturing process, including lithium, cobalt, nickel, and other valuable metals. Could be the rare earth metals. Li-Cycle has also secured several partnerships with other companies, including Keon, Glencore, and Renewance. All right, so let's just go to the chart of light cycle, LICY. Ooh, doesn't look very pretty, huh? All right. All right, so they went public in late 2020, and um, they went public 2020. Let's see. Let's go back to the chart. Essentially, 2021 they went public and hit a high in early 2021, and then collapsed along with the lithium prices. That was November of 2022. Yeah, it's been pretty much downhill since they went public. But this is one definitely worth keeping an eye on. I think lithium will become a hot topic in the years to come. I think there's not going to be enough capacity, and you're going to have um, millions of ion batteries that are going to be worth gold. And so life cycle is worth keeping on your radar. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. Like the video.